So to install Among Us, the game, on a Chromebook, you need to find Play Store. So you go to Launcher and search Play Store. And if you have it there, then you click on it. And if you haven't installed it already, then this pops up. Alternatively, you can also find the Play Store by going to the menu again, searching Settings, going to Apps, and then Play Store, and install it. So here you agree with stuff, and let's wait a while. First time it might take a while. Then search the game, Among Us. Among Us. Here it is, and install. Okay.